Firing with the traditional Georgia barbecue, or we're gonna see aluminum foil today.
All the foil is gonna be able to do for you, it limits the amount of smoke if you think you've already gotten enough smoke to the meat. And also what it'll do, if you got some meat that's drying out, it'll help you save it. It won't infuse more water or more moisture into the meat, but what it will do is help maintain and keep what you already got.
I would almost guarantee that everyone's going to be spritzing, but if somebody's opening up that lid time and time again, they might have some problems with the pit temperatures.
Man, those things are looking good.
What we're doing is adding a little bit of spritz to our country-style ribs. My spritz is a vinegar and an apple juice. I feel the vinegar is complementing, of course, the Georgia-style barbecue.
Let me open this for you, dear.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and foil the picnic. We got the bark to exactly where we want it to be. So now we're just going to cover it up and get it up to temp. Foiling it helps with the tenderness.
These boys right here are gonna have to do something good to beat this.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Today, I've mixed up an apple juice and some pineapple juice, and I had some peach nectar laying around. So I mixed all that up in my spray bottle, so I should have a variety of different flavors. I'm fixing to wrap my country-style ribs, and I'm gonna leave them on there another 2.5 hours till my internal temperature is about 165.
You wanna add a little bit of juice, don't you, Outlaw?
Just a little bit, I would.
You gotta go with Outlaw.
Because that's that marinade.
Tell me when, man.
Come on in there with it. You know what that juice gonna do, don't you, Bob? It's gonna make it. Well, you don't even need no damn teeth to eat this thing.
Don't need any teepees at all, do we?
Who are y'all? Holy smokes, let me tell y'all something. I got some ribs over here so tender. You don't even need no teeth to eat these things.
Oh, yeah, they
Look at this. Now, would you like to try that?
No.
That wasn't no good barbecue if it slapped him in the face.
Oh, hey, whatever. Oh, he don't want y'all to know this stuff better than he does already.
Is this what you're turning in?
No, this is what we eating. You think I'm gonna bring over here what I'm turning in?
The spritzing method that I will use will be apple juice on my pork picnic. If I open the pit to look, I will spritz, but I don't look that often. We've got this nice little picnic right here, and you can see how the skin here has gotten all black. The bone's starting to protrude. You're black on the bottom, but you're still juicy and nice and pink on top. Then I'm gonna finish wrapping it, and this is gonna hold all that juice and become a steam cabinet for it.